Hey guys, so welcome to day 5. Yes, 5. That means we only have 2 days left, and it's 4th of July. So I'm about to go to the parade. So like, there's always this parade down my street. I like fireworks better, but you know, I have to go to the parade because you know fireworks happen at night. So anyway, yeah, I know, but I know my hair's still, you know, freaking some people out. Yeah, I'm watching Kevin Hart at 9:45 in the morning. So that's how I roll. Oh my goodness. I'm so tired. I just woke up, but I'm still gonna go to the parade. I'm still gonna record for you guys. Hey guys. So I'm the idiot that forgets to bring his iPod to the parade, but it doesn't matter. The parade was really boring. We didn't really do anything. All I got was a supper. Well,
yeah, try and get out now.
another one.
I don't think so.
Another one.
Right, I've got so much stuff that I need to do. I organised my inventory before I start.
Yeah, but we're still gonna go to. I'm still gonna show you guys the fireworks because I do not want you guys to miss that. Oh my god, I'm in love with my haircut. I'm sorry. I'm getting this every time. You guys better get used to it.
Messed up. So there we go. Right, so that's fixed. Oh, what I wanted to show
Syndicate, I love you. I'm just kidding. Don't tell anyone.
You know, just trimming up the area. So in between episodes, I've been making it look a bit nicer.
I saw some people there. I saw my friend Kenneth, and we hung out.
Cobblestone down just to make it look all the same.
This-
what I'm working on over here is.
This kid,
Oh no! Damn it!
that was in my guy used to hate me. I don't think he does anymore, but he might. I saw him. He was in the parade. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. Okay, so we were in my Grammy's house, and we are blocking off the door. Oh no! What? From our crazy cousin. The door! Sarah! Hi.
Get the table.
I'm not getting the table.
Okay. Well,
I'll hold the chair.
we'll draw the line there.
Stay!
Sparklers are way more hardcore.
Yeah, got that right.
Who wants a sparkler?
Dude, there's like way more firecrackers.
Dude, in Florida, when my dad brought us out once, you know, I got
That's 747.
No, oh my god!
Oh, dude, this stop.
Yeah, I seen the space station about 2 weeks ago.
When? How?
Fancy.
And the guy on Fox was telling Fox to check it out. And then he said that tonight.
How many sparklers are you doing?
Wait, let me put one in.
Whole pack?
Southeast. And we put out on my.
Whoa!
Followed it all the way down, man. Yeah.
Sparklers are way intense.
The space station.
Oh.
I got I'm 2 punks. This punk and this
You like punks?
punks. Yeah.
Punks. Go get Jess.
Look at this punk.
Oh, jeez. Child abuse!
We're about the same age. Doesn't matter.
You're a year older.
I'm a borrowing my knuckles.
I'm gonna laugh when you do. Get it on camera.
Oh no. Oh yeah, I put it on some website.
Man, I do YouTube, man. See that one go flying up.
It wasn't very hard story, but.
Don't worry, I won't put you on YouTube, Jess. Yeah.
World War III started.
Yeah, dude.
It's all Jeff's fault.
These are nukes.
It's all Jeff's fault.
So Captain go around.
Jeez!
Yeah.
The other one go flying.
Dude, is your phone crack?
It's an iPod, and yes. I'll tell you the story later.
iPod or iPhone?
iPod!
Okay, just making sure,
Just
man.
kidding.
What?
I don't hear any film stuff going on.
I know. They probably are waiting till it gets dark. Just wait till 2 in the morning whenever.
Those are boring. Trying to kill me.
Chris almost got killed. Coming this way. Jeff,
Get out of here, Jeff. You suck. Just kidding. What? Oh, that's cool. There's a blimp.
What is it?
It's a weird like blimp thing.
It's like a Chinese lantern.
It's a Chinese lantern.
Wait, do you have more of the packs?
Oh yeah. That was hardcore, man. It's yeah.
You put a candle in it and then the heat makes it.
Nice.
Oh, dude, that's so good.
And it's falling. Let's go catch it. Let's go catch it.
Good luck.
Sam.
Dude, is it right?
Sam, let's go catch it. Dude, let's go get it. We got it. Hey, what's up, Kevin? What up, man? We got it.
What is that?
It's a Chinese lantern. I want to pick it up.
Not yet.
Oh.
It's a UFO.
Oh my God! Why do I look? I'm gonna look over there. Oh my gosh! Did you see that? Just can't. I can't see you. See? Nothing.
Oh, another lantern, I think.
No. I missed it.
Where'd that other one go? I know there's like a...
It like landed all the way over there by Fox Meadow.
I think there was
the one
three.
that landed. I thought you guys got it.
No, we didn't get it. We saw it.
No, we saw one. Or we got one.
Run!
But we didn't keep
Run,
it.
Forrest, run. You saw that?
Yeah, I saw it.
I got mine 3 times.
Oh, dude, that looks like it's leaking.
Where's it? Oh, dude, that looks sick. Hey. Hey. There's more! What the feathers?
Those are cool.
Look at down there.
Damn. Oh, yeah, some...
Jerk. Hogging it all. Hey guys, today is very successful. I know I didn't get the parade in, but I definitely got in some fireworks. You see it? Yep. Anyway, so I hope you enjoyed day 5? Yeah, day 5. And I'll see you guys tomorrow for the... Oh my goodness, that means we only have 2 days left. 1 day, actually, because today's over. See ya.